Um, I think I'm recording. I don't know if I'm recording yet. Yep, it looks like I'm recording. Uh, Sorry if I'm a little too quiet. Hold up, hold up. Huh. I'll just move the microphone a little forwards. Um, Hello, everyone. Hopefully this is good. Uh, I'm going to, I'm going to show you how I make games on this. Hold up. Okay, so this is a little too loud. Okay. Uh, uh, okay then. Well, um, um, what was that? Okay. So this is Game Builder Garage. Sorry for me messing around with the settings. Um, yeah, it looks like it's good now. So hopefully you guys are able to hear it. Okay, well, anyway, welcome to another one of my videos. Today, as you can see, I am playing, or I'm showing you guys how to make a game in Game Builder Garage, or at least how I do it. So essentially what I do is go to interactive lessons and learn how they work, just to learn how to code using this, and then I go over to free code, and you can see what I'm working on at the current moment. So yeah. So this is what I have as my first game that I don't even know if I'm going to post at the end. What is going on with the audio? Okay then. Well, anyway. What the? Okay. Well, this is literally what I have as the little game that I'm making. I don't even know if I'll post it in the end, or I don't know if I'll complete it. I'll just post what I have currently down at the current moment. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh yeah, I've continued, the gameplay on from what I used to have. So, yeah, you can see at the top there, I need to fix that. But, yeah, this is all I have to the game at the current moment. And then this takes you back. And then, yeah, takes you back to here so you can, do extras. And then you can re-enter using that door. And it says, left stick to move, and use A or B to jump, and green is start. So the green block that's underneath, that's the green, so that's the start. Use the R to shoot. I've already gone through this, so there's no more enemies. Yeah. So this won't continue in development. You guys can download it. I'll upload this version so you guys can find it. But I've moved on from. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gave this project a little name. It's called Project Platform. It was a working title until, well, yeah. So this is the extras, used enemy and unused enemy. Yeah, there's no way to get back here. I didn't code that part, so whoops. Anyway, I'm going to upload this level. How do I upload? I forget how to upload a game. I can edit this. Wait. What? Wait. I just realized I missed something. Wait. Platform. Okay. So that's edited. I really do not know. Oh yeah, sure. That's how. Share online. Project platform. Share online. Share. Okay, you guys can see the game ID. Yeah. And you guys can see the 3 previous versions of Project Platform that I've uploaded. You guys can still access those. Game ID you can see there. Just pause the video if you haven't gotten them down already. And then there's this one, which is the most recent, which I would recommend you playing. Yeah. Now, I'm just going to show you guys what I do to start a code. So for what I want to call Project Car, I pretty much am what I need to code moment. So I need objects, characters, and then car, and that's UFO. This one here. Characters, car, minimize, go out. Okay, so this is as small as it should be. You should just zoom up a little bit. So yeah, since it's tiled 4, it's good. Just need to quickly rotate you this way. I need to go to input button press ZR. Make it small enough so that you can see when zoomed in, but need to move that. Move that over there. Input button press ZL. Okay, so move this like about here, and then go to middle, this, minus, and if it's delayed for you guys, that's because, for whatever reason, my Elgato is doing something weird. I never seen it do this before, I don't think. But anyway, ZR needs to go to input 1, and DL needs to go to input 2, then take this result and move it to accelerate. There we go. Forwards and backwards. Okay. Now, what do I want to do? Oh yeah, inputs. No, not button press. Stick movements. L, left, right. Okay, now just move this over to steering wheel. And now you've got a steering car. Okay, so now that's going on. I'm going to have to put in objects, game screen / camera, game screen, and then it's gotta follow the car. So grab this and take it over to here, and now I've got a game screen that follows the car. And how I got the movement for this code, hold up, I'm just going to end to save. Okay, so I'm going to go back, interactive lessons, thrill racer, and it is up step 1. Or is it step 2? Yeah, step 1. Yeah. If you look to the left, it shows you all of the objects that it shows you how to do. So yeah. Now, I'm going to go over to this to show you what can be made using that exact code that I use. So you can just drive around. I don't really have much here yet, but I have a bunch of buildings, and which, okay, so all the buildings are actually just secretly blocks. You heard me right, blocks. Yeah, or I mean box. They're all just boxes. So yeah, it's a bunch of boxes with sprites that only show up on, a bunch of on selected sides, if I can speak. And I made this little road thing here. Yeah. I just realized that I got the right. I think it sensed what I was trying to draw, and it gave me the right texture for the road. And also, the steering isn't sharp enough. I need to make the roads a little bigger, or the car a little smaller. The car is the right size compared to the house, or at least I think it's one. I'm gonna call each block a meter, so each ceiling tile is a meter. So this car is like 1 meter long, which is a pretty long car. So I'm going to zoom in and shrink the car a little bit. Now it's not the right size. Oh, it's not even the right size compared to the road. I mean, to this road, yeah, it is, like, but this is thinner than the big road. Oh yeah, it still needs sharper turning, so. Like, if you start turning early, you can make it, like, here. But, if you're right up against like here, you're not going to be able to make the turn and stay in the lane, which is something that I need to fix. Maybe it's in the car settings or something, I don't know. Hold up. Movement speed. Maybe move it down a little bit. Because I do think that the movement speed is a little too fast. That's still a little too fast. Yeah, movement speed of 0. 0. Now that's just a little too slow. So I guess 20 is the, or 0.20 is the sweet spot. Yeah, this is good. Now that if you're like over here and you need to make the turn, this goes slow enough that you can, but also fast. It's like fast, so yeah, you get the point. This is just a little fun demo of what what I showed you was like a little explanation on how this works. Everything that is like a building or the road is just blocks with a bunch with just like textures over top of them. So, like, this is like the original GTA because it was like a top-down perspective, but without the running around and shooting people. It's just driving car. Maybe I can add like little things that like if you drive over to them after a little bit, it would start a race or something like that. You know, there really isn't much that you can do though, in like races to like make you go any faster than you already are going. So it's really just depending on the car that, or how lucky you are. Like I know how to make cars go, fat, or like, hold up. Uh, this interactive lesson for Thrill Racer, it's going. Wait, hold up. If you go here, you can watch what will happen when you're playing the game. And you can see that the blue car is turning on its own. That's kind of what I want it to do. So, I'll have things like that. This video is just about me moving on to what, moving on. I just realized that gives me, it makes me do a, like a early timer thing that explains to you how things work, checkpoints. Then it gives you your first game, which is about 40 minutes, which is a fair amount of time to code. And then it gives you 50 minutes, which is also a fair time. And then it gives you freaking 70 minutes. It's a minute and 10, or an hour and 10 minutes. And then 80 minutes, which is an hour and 20 minutes. Another 80 minutes, which is an hour and 10 minutes. And then it gives you 60 minutes, which is an hour. So it just goes... I don't understand what it's trying to do. That setting's off, so it shouldn't be doing that. Okay. Anyway. Anyway, yeah. So... that's pretty much how I'm learning how to code for this game here. Hold up. Just need to edit the game title. Project. No, Mac. project, wait, colon, I need the colon, project car, and that's cat, car. Okay, so project car is done. So yeah, this is pretty much how, this is pretty much what what you can do with this game. You can do a ton of things. And then there's also the guy that made Friday Night Funkin' in this game. Now, here's my issue. 512 nodons. That can kind of concern me. Like, I don't understand, like, 512 nodons, but, like, why have a limit on connections? Because you're already limiting us on the amount of nodons you can do. And in theory, you shouldn't be able to make that many connections. So I mean, I guess, but like, hold up. I'm gonna do a test that I'm going to do in a separate video. Wait, it depends on how long this is already. Looks like it's 21 minutes long. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. So, since it is 21 minutes long, I'm just gonna say, end it here. Yeah, so I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video, seeing in on how things work within my brain to see how this stuff kind of comes out as, like, a result of me testing things and things like that. Hold up, let me quickly delete this. So yeah, another video would be me just seeing how many, if I can make as many connections as that thing says that, or the max amount of connections you can make. Anyway, yeah. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, and yeah, see y'all next time. Bye. If I can end it. Yeah, okay, see ya.